Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making Tawa Paneer. Delicious. It's basically just paneer roasted with a little bit of flavor, and it's absolutely yummy and healthy. So you need 1 teaspoon of chili powder for that spice, 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 1 plus half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder. These are all just for flavor. You'll also need half teaspoon of Garam Masala and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And now you're going to add half cup of thick curd. This is going to be used to make the mixture. So you're going to mix it well. So the flavor is basically made of curd and a bunch of spices. So that's really healthy, because since when have spices become unhealthy? Am I right? So you're just going to give them a nice good mix. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Before adding it, make sure to grind it in your hands. And then give it another good mix. Alright, mix it well. And then you're going to dip your paneer pieces into the mixture. So for them, you're going to need to cut out big, thick rectangles, or you can just cut them out, prefer your size. But you'll have to dip them and completely cover them up in the mixture. So make sure to cover all sides and everywhere. And then you're going to let them rest for about 20 minutes. So now on a pan, you're going to add some oil and just lightly fry them. So you're going to place it into hot tawa with oil. So you can see it frying in there. This is making it crispy so that you don't have to eat mixed curd, and you'll get to eat something crunchy. Make sure to spread the oil around on all of them. And once one side is roasted, obviously you'll flip it, because you want it all to be crunchy. Doesn't it already look delicious? So this is also going to make the paneer a little bit softer. So make sure to flip them all so that it's all nicely roasted. And this is your result. And that's it. They're ready. Delicious. Serve them, eat them, and enjoy them. They're soft and gooey on the inside and crispy and crunchy on the outside, as you can see. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this really quick, really easy, and really delicious and healthy treat to make. Bye. Thanks for watching.